Hey everyone, today we have a really special unboxing. It's a fragrance unboxing and from Chanel Beauty, and look at this gorgeous packaging. From the packaging, you know, I made this purchase during the Mother's Day season and did not unbox yet because I had so many Mother's Day items to unbox with you, and this was sitting on my shelf because I really wanted to see it with you together. So we are here today to see this beautiful fragrance, and look at this packaging. Can we just have a moment for this absolutely stunning packaging? And now it's time to see what we have here. Let's see. I have not made any Chanel perfume purchase for a long time. I remember last time I had a Chanel perfume was when I was traveling Switzerland. It was in, I think, around 2018, and this is after a long time. So I'm very excited, and actually I have the Coco Chanel Mimosa perfume, but after that I never really loved anything that I really wanted. But this time around, look at this. Look at this pretty. Ooh. I think you can recognize this. All Splendid, and this is their Eau de Parfum. Can't wait to smell this together with you. Also just want to see what is in here. So there is, I think we have some samples here. Oh, and the sample came in a really cute pouch. Wow. Let's see what we have. So we have this little Eau de Parfum Eau Tendre. We have this little perfume. I don't know how to say Eau de Tendre, or how do you say it? I think it's all French and I don't know exactly how to pronounce. I actually had a little French class during my diploma program in beauty, and then it was a 3-month class, so you know, you don't really remember much. Anyways, got this little sticker, a Chanel sticker. Oh my god, my daughter and my son, they love stickers, but a Chanel sticker actually making me as happy as just like them. So yeah, this little pouch is super cute, and I have something in here. Lilift serum. Wow, I love their Lilift series. I have the Lilift hand cream and also the moisturizer, absolutely beautiful. And now I have this little serum. Wow, I'm so happy. So I can actually use this serum with my moisturizer. How is the consistency? Oh, so I just did a tiny drop. Oh my god, I just don't want to waste it. It's Chanel serum, it's tiny. It has like, I think, how much it is, 5 ml. I don't want to waste it because I really want to use it, and feels so good. Smells so refreshing. Maybe in the future I'm going to add this to my collection, but you guys know, just I unboxed my Dior Beauty. I got a Dior Capture serum, so I'm going to use it, finish it, and then go for a new serum. And now let's see the fragrance. Actually, a few months back when I was traveling back home, we had a transit in Qatar airport, and we had a Chanel Beauty boutique just beside us. I sprayed this perfume and my son instantly said, what is it? He loved it. He's so young, but he already has a very good taste. And actually I sprayed it on myself, and for hours I could smell the beauty of it, so I had to grab it. Since then it was in my wish list, and finally I got it. Look how pretty this packaging is. Ooh, purple is my favorite color, and look, it's transparent, but see, when you have something at the back, you see the purple color. It's so absolutely beautiful. And look, it's Chanel logo at the top, which makes it even more special. It's just so beautiful. Time to spray. We need a moment. Beautiful. I smell the fruity, definitely fruity, and the floral. Beautiful. It's a raspberry flavored fragrance, and I have noticed that raspberry flavor really works well on my skin. Yeah, so raspberry really works good on my skin. I also love rose, and very mild, but it is also rosy, so I can really smell this fruity floral mix, which is not too sweet. It's sweet but not too sweet. It's more like a very, I don't know, it's so dramatic. It's like you feel every kind of feeling. You just feel all sorts of emotions. It's so juicy and happy, playful. I just feel it's so playful. That's what I love about it. Even if you find a fragrance smelling really good in your first pump, but just don't go for it. You put it on your skin. Over the time with your pH, it actually changes. So each fragrance works differently for each person. So anything which has like raspberry, I usually see that works for me. It stays on my skin, it goes more beautiful, it becomes powdery and smells nice over the time. So I just really love it. Another thing, I don't know, a lot of the fragrance turns into more masculine on my skin, so I don't really want that. I want more feminine kind of fragrance, and this kind of fruity florals usually works good, especially if the fruit is raspberry. That is my thing. So happy so far. I hope sometime later I will come up with a deeper review of it after I use it for a couple of days or months, but so far I think it's perfect for the season. It is summer and I'm so happy I have it in my collection. Definitely have done some more sprays, and I'm so excited to see how it is working over the time. But when I tried it in my store in the airport, the fragrance was with me for like till next day, so I am excited. Anyways, this video ends here today. I hope you really enjoyed my little perfume unboxing from Chanel. Let me know what other fragrances I really should try. It will help me to find some good fragrances, and I'm excited about that. So this video ends here today. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.